dear participants. This is R. Divyanjali from Pantech. Pantech is a platform where a person can experience, innovate and implement different research and development works over this platform. Dear participants, before starting the session, first let me know whether am I audible clearly? Today we are on the fourth day of our full stack web development using Reactjs Masterclass. So till now on the first day we have started learning something about what is the basic introduction to web development and what are all the various industrial applications that are applicable for that, correct? On the second day we also started learning something about what is Reactjs and what is its importance, what are all the things present in this Reactjs, correct? On day 3, we also have done what are all the softwares required, we installed them, right? Whoever haven't present for the last sessions, I just quickly remind you how to install. What are all the softwares we are working? So the first software we are working is with VS Code. Why we are going to use VS Code generally? VS Code editor window, in this VS Code we can use multiple programs, okay, like programming languages you can use n number of. So only we are using this VS Code editor window. So VS Code download for Windows, just click on that. So you can see this download for Windows and click on this Windows. First it will be downloaded in a file format, then double click on that file, a window will be appeared. Now just click on next and then click on finish. It will be installed in your system. The next software what we have installed is Node.js. So we know that Node.js is used to at the backend side I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. So Node.js software is used at the backend side. So just go to Google Chrome and type Node.js download for Windows. So click on this downloads. You can see here Windows installer, right? Just click on that. When you install that, it will be downloaded in a file format. After downloading, double click on that file. A window will be appeared. Just click on next. I accept the terms and conditions. Then click on next and then click on finish. It will be installed in your system, right? What is the next software we have installed? XAMPP software, right? Just go to Google Chrome and type XAMPP download for Windows. So just click on this download and click on download for Windows. When you download, it will be downloaded in a file format. Just click on next and then click on finish. So this is how we have installed what are all the softwares we are working with, right? I hope so. The screen is clearly visible now, correct now? Without any interruption or without any resizing, everything is fine, right? Okay. So let us quickly remind what we have learned in the last classes, like web development intro, what are the industrial applications like in education industry, healthcare industry, how it is helpful, like that, correct? And we also have learned something about React applications. What is the base use of implementing these React applications? We know that it is a front-end package, front-end framework which is basically used to view an application, right? So it is at the using at the user side, at the client, not client side, okay? React is a popular JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces. So we are using VS Code editor which supports Reactjs IntelliSense and code navigation out of the box. It means when you are typing or when you are developing an application, this VS Code with the help of this React framework, it is understanding that the user is going to write this keyword, going to develop this application like that, okay? So it is helpful or it is used to make us understand what we are going to do clearly like that. So we will be using the create React application generator for this. So we'll even run the application on the server as well with the help of Node.js. Okay. So with the help of this npm module or package only we are going to use. So we have already installed Node.js at the backend, right? So it is making us to create our application. Here is a small tip actually. To test that you have your Node.js and npm correctly installed on your machine or not. So you can type node space -v and click on enter. And also you can type npm space -v in the command prompt or in the terminal. So here is a command to create this npx create React application. What is the application you are going to develop? You can just give it here. Okay. So this is all about theoretical, okay. Now, before entering into hands-on training to develop your first React application, let me once again tell you regarding the internships actually. Yeah, most of the people are still asking regarding the queries over here, like so like you wanted to do internship with us like that, correct no? So once again I just wanted to tell you before starting only, so that if you still have any queries also you can just ask us, okay? 1 minute. Yeah, if you wanted to convert this masterclass into an internship program, 1 month internship program, you can just click on the link, registration link. The total amount is actually 799 rupees only. So with the help of this registration, you can access the complete content from us, like you will be getting 30 days live sessions, notifications, and after live sessions 90 days you can access the recording videos as well, and you can access 8+ applications, 30 downloadable presentations which will be available. 6 mentors will be always monitoring like what are the assignment tasks, whatever we have given, are you people doing like that, okay? And also you will be getting the confirmation letter and internship certification letter. So you will be developing the applications as I have already mentioned you, right? Okay, so yeah, we told that we'll be discussing how to develop a React application, right? You might already be installed what are all the softwares you're going to work. Just go to Start, All Programs and type VS Code Editor, VS Code. Click on Open. I'm just maximizing the screen. Yeah, so just go to File, New Window. Yeah, just maximize this. So this is how an empty editor window is visible, right? So you can find here the VS Code, what are all the buttons available, what are the captions available. First one is File, where you can save the file, open a folder, open a file, recent, you can check, close editor windows like that. Edit means undo, redo, find, replace options are available. Selection, you can select particular line data or move line data like that, cursors. View, what are all the things that are available on the screen you can see. Here just click on this terminal. It will open you an empty terminal, right? Dear participants, we are going to create our first React application. How many of the students are interested to develop your first React application? Yes, dear participants, please do reply. How many of you are interested to develop your first React application along with me? I am going to make you understand how you are going to develop your application like that. People are asking regarding materials actually in the comments. Materials you will be receiving, don't worry about it, okay? You will be having WhatsApp groups, right? There only you will be receiving, don't worry. Don't worry about the content, you will receive it in one or the other social media. Okay, now that everyone might be in this terminal window, right? So first you have to check whether your node is correct, Node.js is installed properly or not. So check the version, node space -v. So it will give you the version of that Node.js. Next type npm space -v. Click on enter. This represents the Node Package Manager. What is this? NPM is abbreviated as Node Package Manager. Okay. Now first what you have to do here, you are going to create your application, right? So how to create your application? Yes, anyone having any idea? npx space create React app and give your application name something like first app like that, or I will give something like f app. Okay, now just click on enter. Your application is going to be created. So your first React application, first we are going to create now. Okay, anyone whoever wants to work with React application, the first application they have to develop is create the tab first of all, right? So for that, first what you have to do, I will give the instructions in the chat. Yeah, I will give the instructions in the chat as well. You can just type type node space -v. Next, no npm space -v, so that we will be getting the versions of that particular Node.js and npm manager. Okay. Yeah. Now what I have done is npm space -v. Just a second, actually I have to give here directory as well, like in which directory I am going to save the folder, like that. Let it create, I will tell you. It's very easy to create your first React application. Whoever is interested, you can do along with me itself. Yeah. So cd space application name fapp, right? Yeah, we have created. Now we will start npm space start. So your application, whatever you have created, no, it will be shown on the browser. Okay. So the first React application is going to be here, which is displayed here. It's loading, it will take time. So this is how your first React application is going to open. Okay. Now we will do one thing. We will do slight modifications in the code. So for that, to know that, we will open a folder here. Whatever the app, you have created an application, right? Just a second. Dear participants, few people are telling that you are getting some error. If you are getting error, it means that your Node.js is not properly installed. Do one thing, you just uninstall that Node.js and again install it properly. Okay. So here I will open a folder actually, my app. So you can see in the file explorer my app has been opened. Instead of f app, I am just opening whatever the application I have created. Just go to view, open your terminal and be ready with that. Yeah, now what you will do is, first let us understand what we are going to have here, okay? When we install npm package, right, and when we run that command, node modules, all the node modules are at the backend itself, it is being installed. These are all the packages, okay? These are all the packages which is installed at the backend itself, okay? By default, it will be there for any React application. If you create, you will get these folders and files, okay? Here in the public, you can see index.html, png, json file, like that. Like image content related data, you will be finding in this public folder. comes source folder. Here you can see app.js, which is our base file. So here you are going to write your actual program and interface all other folders files into this program. Node.js must not be installed in VS Code. Node.js is a software. Dear students, please don't confuse it. If you want, I will tell you once again. If you are getting error when you are creating React application, just uninstall that Node.js and go to Google Chrome and type here. First type VS Code download for Windows. Just click on downloads, it will be downloaded in the same format. Just click on Node.js download for Windows, click on enter. The first one itself you can see here download. Click on this Windows installer, it will be downloaded in a file format. When you double click on that file, a window will be appeared. Now just click on next and then click on finish. Okay, fine. Coming back to our code here. I'm just writing here as hello world. Okay, what is the first program we execute in any programming language? Basically hello world only, right? No? So here also I have done the same thing. Now type here npm start. Click on enter. Yeah, it's going to open our first React application where your hello world program is going to be displayed. It will redirect to the home page actually. I hope so everyone is understanding and it is very easy, right? Little bit confusion will be there. How can I explain from again starting? Chitrashree, do one thing, you can again rewind this session, okay? So you can see here hello world is displayed, okay? This is how basically we open or we create a project. Yeah, now let us understand what is this app.js, okay? So here in this application.js file, we are going to interlink all the pages, all the files. You know that app.js means like it will assign for customization, logo, header function, links need to be given, color indication, that and all, okay? app.js is my actual file. Whatever I wanted to give, I have to give in this file only, okay? Like you can see here logo.svg. Here is the link, whatever I have to mention, I have given here. Yeah. Now what I will do is first I will display Pantech eLearning here. Instead of hello world, I will write something like Pantech eLearning. Okay. Private limited. Just to save the file. So compilation successful. Compilation is successful, right? Wait. Terminal. I have closed it actually because I have closed my browser as well, so only, okay. So once again I am opening this. Whatever I have done, it will be here only. Pantech eLearning, that and all, it will be there, don't worry. Just type here npm space start. Click on enter. It will start running your code displaying Pantech eLearning on the web browser. Yeah, starting the development server. Yeah, have you seen here Pantech eLearning Private Limited is being displayed? Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, so what we have done is first we imported the logo from logo.svj. So we have connected this svj file here and into the program. Whatever we are giving inputs here within this app.js file, the same thing only it will describe on the web browser. Okay. Now, next what we are doing, import app.css file. CSS file also I imported. You can even import React from React. Okay, so from React package we are importing React module as well. Just do saving the file frequently. If you are having any errors, it will be displaying. Okay, fine. Next, I'm defining a function like creating an application app. Now write the main content. What should be the header? What should be the image? From there you have to take the image from logo module. What should be the class name? App logo. That and all you have given. And paragraph I have given like Pantech eLearning Private Limited. And enclose all the tags, class name, header reference, target, relation, everything I have given. Okay. Now I've kept like learn React, right? Learn technology I'll keep. Learn technology in easy way. Just save the file. Yeah, it's successfully saved it. Okay. Just go to your browser. You can see here learn technology in easy way, right? So now we'll do little modifications in our code as well to make our project unique. Okay. So I told you that whatever we are mentioning in app.js, the same thing it will be displayed in the browser, correct? No? Fine. Next, export default application. This is very important instruction you have to give because the default application has to be present there. Okay. So you can even change the logo as well, like you can give here some other logo like Pantech eLearning logo like that. That will be discussed in the further classes, don't worry about that. Okay. For that you have to do lot of modifications, like everywhere wherever you have described about that logo you have to make changes like that. So you can see here in public folder, sorry, not in public, in source folder, you can see here SVG. It's mentioned, right, that HTTP link, logo link will be given, that it should be given. And here are few images as well. React images are given here, no? We'll do one thing. I will give logo 192 sample.png as a file name. It is empty, right? Open files now. Just a second. Here I'll upload. I have actually downloaded Pantech eLearning logo. I'll open it here. Let us see whether it will open. Yeah, it's open, right? pan.png like that. So wherever we find any logo, what is the logo we are seeing here actually? Just a React logo only we are seeing right now. Now we will go back to our pan.png instead of logo.svg. We'll add it here as well. Wait. Open a file, that is Pantech file. Open it. That is logo only, nothing new. So I have opened here pantech.png file. No, go to this app.js. Yeah, app.js. So you can give here that whatever the something like whatever the URL it is, okay, like W3 schools or Pantech www.pantechelearning.com like that. Wait, let us see. pantechelearning.com. Okay, save the file. Yeah, let us see here whether it is displaying. Pantech eLearning Private Limited, it is displayed. Okay, still we can work on this to display that logo also clearly. Something like image details that have to be given clearly. Okay, then you will get, it is very easy only, not that much stuff. We'll still work on it. Okay, okay, fine. Then I'll just rewrite what we have done. Just open VS Code and first give node space -v. Just click on enter, you will get the node version. Next, afterwards type npm space -v. It will give you the version of that npm package. Next, you have to give you have to create a command. You have to give a command to create your first React application. What is the command? npx space create space -react app space your application name. If you give that, it is going to create your application, and you have to give proper directory also in order to create or open your file in the correct place. Okay, after that just open your folders. You can see there node modules, public and source folders. In that you have to go to source folder all the time. whatever the content it is mentioned in app.js, the same thing it is going to display on your web browser. Okay, so in my app.js, just I am given here Pantech eLearning or any hello world like that, and you wanted to run the code. For that you have to use a command like npm start. When you start like that, it will redirect to the browser with the localhost address. So this is what your first React application is. You can even change the background color, logo, that and all, you can change it. Okay, and if you want, you can try it and you can tell me how many of you got in the next sessions. Okay, so one more thing, dear participants, I just wanted to rewind that regarding this internships, because we are getting lot of queries on this. So I just wanted to tell you once again regarding this. Yeah, if you wanted to convert this masterclass, into 1 month internship program, you can just register with us with the link given in the comment section. Like registration fees will be 799 rupees, and you have to register with that amount. You will be getting 30 downloadable presentations. And you also will be getting 90 days accessing of recording videos. Previously it was 60 days, now it has become 90 days actually. And you will be getting, by the end of the session, you will be getting 8+ source application codes. Okay, and also 30 downloadable presentations. 6 mentors support will be there for you all the time to redirect you correctly. And also you will be getting the confirmation letter as well as internship certification from Pantech eLearning Private Limited. Someone wants to clear their doubt actually. Predefined, ma'am. Another this code fully. Okay. Actually, it's like creating an application. Why we are using this React means already existing. Okay, base folders, that and all will be present. Okay, React framework which is used to like view an application only, right? So here what you wanted to view on the web page, that you have to modify. So only in app.js, whatever the content you wanted to see on the web page, let it be an image, let it be some audio or some text, some paragraph like that, you will interface that into your app.js file. Okay, fine. So you will be developing 8 projects actually within this internship as well, and you will be learning from the scratch. And this is all about today's session. If you still have any queries, you can just get back to us. And last but not least, I hope so everyone enjoyed this session. This is a very simple only. If you still have any queries, you can just ask me. Attendance link is actually given in the comment section. You can fill it out, no problem. Yeah, so coming to the last slide of the session, like we are going to end up the session for today very early. Why? Because it is just creating a React application, simple application only. I hope so all of you have created, right? So how many of you have created till now along with me this first React application? Can you please raise your hands in the comment section? Yes, dear participants, how many of you have created your first React application today, now, along with me in today's session? Can you just raise your hands in the comment section? Everyone, please make the session interactive. I just wanted to know how many of my participants have developed your first React application. Please raise your hands, everyone, whoever have done today. Yeah, most of you have done, right? That's nice actually. If you have not done, you can once again try. Don't worry about it, okay? So then, okay, we have come up to the last slide of the session. Before winding up, I just wanted to thank all the participants who made the session so interactive and so interesting, and also who have come early to the session before I have started the session as well. Yeah, you even have Masterclass internships also in the further coming classes, like further in master classes. You will be having that Masterclass. We know that Masterclass is coming like upcoming trending technology, right? So we are also having an experts trainers to give you the best content in Masterclass as well. You will be receiving that. Don't worry. Okay. So okay, fine. Then we'll wind up the session for today. Thank you all. Have a very nice time. If you are the first time visitor to our channel, please do click on like, comment, share, and even subscribe to our Pantech eLearning channel. Thank you all. Have a very nice time.